Recently, I found an article saying that the UK government's trial of M365 Copilot found no clear productivity boost. It turned out that yes, most people were happy working with the tool, but there were no significant improvements in productivity. When it comes to working on presentations and PowerPoint, the study showed that presentations were created faster, but their quality was worse. And you know what? It doesn't surprise me at all. Most of my colleagues in the presentation industry confirm that through countless anecdotes. The thing is, AI tools, at least for now, won't create a presentation for you from scratch. Yes, they can help you with some parts, but you still have to do most of the work yourself. Also, working with Copilot feels like working with a colleague who is super intelligent, full of ideas, and has access to vast knowledge, but also makes huge mistakes, constantly misses the point, and dives into irrelevant details. You know the type: hyperactive and neurotic. Imagine Woody Allen working backstage on your computer. Here's how it usually goes. You type in the prompts, you get the results. The results are very, very generic. Boring text, boring layouts, boring narrative. Sure, it's done quickly, but it's low quality. And here's the decision you face. If you go with this version and present it to your audience, you've chosen the shortcut. Poor quality, done fast. Or you can choose the harder path, which ultimately gives better results. You can ask Copilot for changes. Yes, it will be frustrating because, as you know, all those intelligent neurotics produce lots of random nonsense. But if you push them in the right direction, you can get something good. It just takes effort and patience. A lot of patience. For example, I asked Copilot to improve the slide visually. It gave me a beautiful image, but with completely irrelevant text that couldn't be removed. That's what happens all the time. Copilot and other AI tools often lead you into dead ends. So you take a few deep breaths, give feedback, and wait for a better outcome. Sometimes it doesn't come, sometimes it does. After my feedback, I finally received a better version. Now you can either rely on this one or improve it yourself. I can use the Format Painter option to get a nicer layout. I can ask Designer to suggest something better. Sometimes it does, usually it doesn't, but this time, well, it's not that bad. Let's use it. Anyway, here's the point I'm trying to make. You can't expect AI tools to create an entire presentation for you. Use these tools to build parts of your presentation, but rely on your own ideas, your own hands, and your own mind to improve it. Don't rely purely on AI. It will always be generic. Hire AI as your assistant, not your replacement.